Alright, so on the first section for 1A, I am going to skip this part because it's a little bit easier than 1B. So I'm going to do 1B for you, and then you can go ahead and try 1A. And so in order, it asks us to solve by elimination. So if we look here, we need to add these two functions together and then eliminate one of the variables. So in order for us to eliminate one of the variables, if you look at this section here, this is x, and this is a positive 4x. So then in order for us to cancel it out, I need to multiply this entire equation by negative 4. Okay, because negative 4 is going to cancel out this positive 4, which is why on this problem, and if you look at it, they're already opposites. One's 4 and one's negative 4, so you can go straight into adding them together. But this one, you don't. That's not the case. You have x and you have 4x. So to make they cancel out, we need to multiply by negative 4. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply by negative 4. And let me go ahead and erase this part. And I'm going to write my work down here. Okay, so negative 4 times x is going to give you negative 4x. And then we're going to multiply negative 4 times negative 5y. That's going to give us a positive 20y. And then we're going to multiply the negative 4 times the negative 22. And that is going to give you a positive, because two negatives give you a positive, and it'll give you positive 88. Okay, so then from there, we're not going to use this equation anymore. We're going to be using this one down here. So we're going to go ahead and add these two equations together. So we have 4x and we have negative 4x, and that is going to cancel out. Okay, they cancel each other out. We don't have any more of those. Now we have 3y's and we have 20y's. So a positive 3y plus 20y is going to give us 23y's equals. And then we're going to do 4 plus 88, which gives us 92. And then to solve for y, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 23. And then 92 divided by 23, let me go ahead and try that. 92 divided by 23 gives us 4. So then that means y is equal to 4. Okay, so now that we have y, we can go ahead and plug it into any one of the original equations. So you can either, I'm going to erase all this just so you can see the equations. You can either plug it into this first one right here, or you can plug it into this one right here when you're looking for your x value, because now we know y. So whichever one you pick, it doesn't matter. I'm going to pick the first one. So we have x minus 5y equals 22, negative 22. And so I'm going to go ahead and plug in that 4. So instead of y, where I see this y right here, I am going to plug in a 4. So it's going to be x minus 5 times 4 is equal to negative 22. And so negative 5 times 4 is going to give us negative 20 equals negative 22. And then our last step to solve for x is to take this 20 and move it to the other side. So we're going to go ahead and add 20. And so negative 22 plus a positive 20 is going to give you negative 2. And so then that would be your x value. So your solution for this system of equations is going to be negative 2, comma 4. Okay, because this is your x value and this is your y value, which we found here and here. And that's it. So that's how you do the first section.